All right, now we're headed to Antelope Canyon. Bye. All right, we're back in the car. It is burning hot. I couldn't film anymore because I had to just get out of that heat. We're heading to Page, to the little town, to get a lot of ice and a lot of drinks because we are on fire. Walmart.
I saw the city passing by my window.
So it looks like whether you're doing Dixie tours or Kin tours, looks like they're both in the same space. Hello.
What's going on?
We have a reservation.
What time?
12:15.
12:15.
Hour through the canyon, roughly about 5 minutes back up to the top. Okay. So the rules and regulations are right here, guys. I'm gonna go over that as we walk down.
Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone.
So for our canyon, we're morely focused on color and texture within the rock formation. So we have more opportunity for photos. Up at Upper Antelope Canyon, so right now it is 12:22, so the sun is directly over the sky top of us. So for them, they're actually a canyon that's narrow at the top. So narrow, wide at the bottom, so we refer to that canyon as being an A-frame canyon. For us, we're more of a V-frame formation canyon, so we're wider at the top, more narrow at the bottom. So since we have more lighting coming in from the top, we have different angles of lighting coming in at all times. What these canyons are, it's kind of like a drainage system. So most of you guys live in cities, right? So where does the rain go when it rains in you guys' area?
Sewer.
Yeah, this is sewage. So in a way, this is kind of the same thing. This is the desert's version of sewage. So if it's raining out there, about another 20, 40 miles even out south of us, there's channeling canyons as well as washes that are going to bring that water in, make it go through Upper Antelope Canyon, here to Lower Antelope Canyon, and where my chest is here, Lake Powell. So in a way, these canyons are channeling the water from where my fingertips are all the way down into the main body of water, which is Lake Powell or wherever in Colorado.
Got my phone like every other second. My future is blurry and numb. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up.
Now the second half of the canyon is going to be a little bit more wider at the bottom with a little bit of narrowing at the top.
We had never met before that time.
We call this area the Lion's Den. So if you stand back here, you turn around, this ledge coming off to the right there, we call that structure the silhouette of the lion's head. Back in 2009, we had a photographer come.
But I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, you're making me wholehearted. Together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted.
Looking at is compressed sand. Really, really compressed sand that forms the rock formation. It's not a sturdy rock, so we call it sandstone.
If there's enough rainfall, will the floor turn to sandstone?
So the sand that we're sitting on here, this is actually helping us walk. Because right where you guys are at, this goes down another 3 feet actually. So over here, this side about another 2 feet or so. So all depending upon, it's just what it is, it's just to help us keep level and walk through. Yeah.
Is the sand down here just naturally?
No, so naturally it's not down here. We actually toss the sand in from the top all the way down to the bottom. Yeah. So we just pack the sand down here at the bottom. And
So without the sand, what is it?
It's just sharply narrow at the bottom.
Oh.
Yeah.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever.
So we do have animals that live inside the canyon too, guys. So right at the very top, kind of where I'm standing, if you see all the bird poop, look straight up. We do have a crow's nest there at the very top.
Oh, I
So
see it.
mainly in a way, that's the only bird that lives inside the canyon. Mainly crows that live at the top.
Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole to make myself whole again.
Going. Careful. Whoa, I did the same thing. Oh.
So my good guys, if you guys are ready, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna head back up to the top. Once we get back up to the top, guys, we do have some complimentary water for you guys.
We had a great time. You definitely have to take one of these tours. It's so worth it.
And we got some amazing photos.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, that was it.
It was fun.
We had so much fun. We're gonna post the photos next, right here. Now it's time to go back to Vegas, where it's not so hot.
Night of Health Light.